Hello everyone, Mark here with ServerMania. In this video we're going to show you how to install WordPress on cPanel manually. We'll begin by logging into cPanel and you'll click on MySQL Database Wizard. From there you'll set a database name and click Next Step. Then you'll set a database username and set the password. Then click Create User. You'll select All Privileges and click Make Changes. Now the database is created. The next step is we'll click on File Manager. We'll double click on the public_HTML directory, and then we'll go to WordPress and download WordPress. Then you'll go back to your File Manager. You'll click Upload, and you'll drag this file. Then you'll go back to your public HTML directory. You can click on it and click Extract. Then click Extract Files. You can then delete the zip file. We'll double click on the WordPress directory because we're going to select all the files and move them back to the root directory. So we'll click the Move button and then remove WordPress and click Move Files. Then you can go back. You can delete the WordPress folder. And now all the WordPress files are available and the database has been created. So we'll go to our website and refresh, and the WordPress installer will appear. So we'll click Let's Go, and we'll enter all the database information. And click Submit. Then we'll click Run the installation. We'll enter our site name, admin username, password, and your email. Then we'll click Install WordPress. WordPress is now installed, and you can just click Login to start using your WordPress installation. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below.